one country where our politicians do the right things, but we can't afford to have a country where our process of the government is upended by people who won't let their political bitterness go and allow a duly elected public official to do the job to which he was entrusted. And that's what we're seeing.
It's been an attempt to undermine President Trump from the get-go. And we've never seen anything like this in our lifetime. And it's ongoing, and it's almost universal. It's almost everybody in the news media. And, you know, I'm going to tell you something, Governor. I spend a lot of time now doing more reporting than I've ever done in my career. And we have a great team we've assembled. You know, Sarah Carter and John Solomon and Greg Jarrett and Tom Fitton and Jay Sekulow has been amazing, too. And there are others I'm going to forget some. Dr. Gorka has been great. And I would argue that we break more news on this radio program and more news on my television program, and we have real evidence of what happened, who paid for the phony Russian dossier. We've broken more stories about a FISA warrant that was issued in spite of many denials. We have broken the fact that there was an exoneration of Hillary after she committed many felonies before they even did an investigation. And the rest of the media, I mean, almost everybody, exclusively in journalism, totally ignores it.
Well, when 91% of all the coverage of President Trump is negative, there's no objective person alive who could possibly say that that is a representative reporting of what is actually happening in this presidency. I get it that people don't like Trump. I get it that some people think he's vulgar or he's crude or his past is somehow relevant to what he's doing as president. I get all of that. But it comes down to this. The media says Donald Trump has attacked the media. No, the media has attacked their own credibility by proving that they're not objective about this administration. They do not want to report and let people decide. They want to steer people to a particular point of view. That's not journalism. That's editorialism. And we lost the idea of journalism.
What do you make of what's going on with Vladimir Putin and Great Britain and Russia vowing revenge and the Prime Minister May kicking out 23 Russian spies from the UK and blasting Vladimir Putin's contempt for the Salisbury poisoning? I mean, we have all of that. Nikki Haley yesterday warning that Russia could use chemical weapons in New York, which is pretty scary. There was a report that has come out that the U.S. military over a decade behind China and Russia as it relates to space defense. I'm getting really concerned that America's taking its eye off the ball here.
I think if people